How to make money on Facebook Marketplace. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So, Facebook Marketplace is a powerful and lucrative platform for all online sellers. And in this video, we'll explore how to set up a successful business, drive sales, manage operations, and also how to avoid common pitfalls. So, the first thing that we will look at is the account setup and optimization, which consists of several steps. First one being to create a professional profile. So you will build trust with potential customers by creating a complete and professional profile that showcases your products and values. And after that, you need to optimize for search by using targeted keywords in the profile that you created and also in the products listing to increase visibility and improve the search rankings, which will make people find you, the customers. So instead, if you going after the customer will come searching for you. And thirdly, you need to leverage social media. So promote your Facebook Marketplace business on social media to reach a wider audience and build brand awareness. So, for example, you can promote on TikTok, as TikTok is like can really uh, you can really like go viral in like no matter how many followers you have, no matter how many days you can literally go viral on the day one, which will convert you a ton of sales. And the last step is to stay engaged. So make sure to respond promptly to customer inquiries and show that you're committed to providing excellent service. So always take care of your customer, as if you don't, they will leave you and go and look for someone else that provide the same products. Now let's take a look at researching profitable product niches. So, you know that the best way to make it as an online seller is to stick to one niche at least at the beginning. So, you can't be random, just pick a market and stick with it till you start to see some income, and after that, you can gradually expand to other niches. As you know, they say the riches are in the niches. So, how can you do that? The first step is to identify market gaps. Now, you do that to find underserved product categories and niches by analyzing customer demand and competitor offering. So, if you do this step, you will literally decrease in your competition by going after the low hanging fruit and the market gaps that are not filled yet. So, you will be that person who fill that market gap, which will make you reach your goals way faster than if you were to go to a competitor market and try to compete with the um, already existing large big sellers. And a second option is to use data to inform decision. So make sure to research product trends, popular search terms, and other market data to make informed decisions about what to sell. So in this step right here, what you need to do, especially what I want you to focus on, is the popular trends. If you can spot them, if you can ride a wave of trend from the start to finish, believe me, it will be like an overnight success. As for example, during the year, there are several times, such as, for example, holidays or uh, Black Fridays or Halloween, Christmas, all of these holidays, and celebrations. People are looking for stuff to buy. If you can be the one that um, offer products that are related to these special events, then you can make ton of sales. As I said before, people will be searching for you. You don't have to search for the customer. Just provide the product that is suitable for these events, and they will find you. And the third thing that you need to do is to track your performance. Of course, as with any business, you can just set it up and leave it. You will fail. Make sure to always stay on top of your analytics. So monitor sales and adjust your strategy based on real data and customer feedback. Always listen to your customer. Make sure to never forget that. Now, once you have done and gone through all of the previous steps, you have created your profile and you found your niche that you want to focus on. It's time now to create compelling product listings. And this is a process that starts with the title. So use descriptive and concise language to convey key product features and benefits. Don't overpromise. Always stay true. And after that, we have the description where you need to highlight product features and provide context on how it can be used, and make sure to use bullet points and clear language. After that, make sure to add an image that will be high quality and showcase the product from different angles and in use so that the customers know what he will get. And lastly, you need to add the price. So make sure to research prices in your product category and set your price competitively. Consider offering bundle deals or discounts for loyal customers. And in order to do that, here are some effective pricing strategies that you may want to use. So the first one is the competitive pricing. So here you will stay competitive by researching prices in your category and adjusting your price accordingly. Consider offering bundle deals and discounts for loyal customers, as we've said previously. So here you can just make the price less than the other competitors, which will give you advantages, but always make sure to take enough profit margins. You don't want to be working for free or for pennies. The second strategy is the dynamic pricing, and here you will adjust your prices based on supply and demand, lower prices to move inventory quickly, or raise them during times of high demand. So this is basically what the um, how the commerce work in the real world, where you in the time of high demand, all of the salesmen raise the prices to take larger profits, and when there is no demand for their products, they just uh, give them less prices to sell them and get rid of them. So uh, keep this in mind. You might want to use this strategy. And the last one is the anchor pricing. So use a high priced item as an anchor and bundle it with lower priced items. This can make the lower priced items seem like a better deal. So this can be combined with the previous strategy, that is the dynamic pricing. So you have your high ticket product that you are selling, and for those prices that where you those products where there is no demand, you can anchor them and put them as a bundle with this high ticket price to get rid of them and to sell them with the high ticket with the collection or the bundle. So once you have created your listings, it's time now to promote them through advertising and social media. So you can use social media advertising by creating targeted ads on Facebook, Instagrams, and other social media platforms to promote your product to a wider audience. Or you can use the influencer marketing where you partner with influencers in your niche to promote your product to their followers. And thirdly, You can use the customer referrals, so or you can offer discounts or other incentives to customers who refer friends and family to your business, which is kind of an affiliate marketing where the customer will get uh, some kind of uh, commission or something like that, or a discount when he brings other people to purchase your product. It's a win-win for everyone. And one thing that you need to keep in mind after you do all of the steps is you need to build and engage with your customer base, as you are not just selling stuff to random people. These can be loyal customers that you will keep selling to them for years and years to come. So also always make sure to provide excellent customer service, be responsive and helpful to customers' inquiries and complaints, offer fast and reliable shipping, and follow up with customers after a purchase. And also, you can make or create a loyalty program where you offer rewards or discounts to your loyal customers and keep them engaged with your business through regular promotions and special events. Of course, a loyal customer is not just like a stranger who buys once and leave. You need to treat him or her specially. And the last thing is the solicit feedback. So always ask customers to feedback on their experience with your business and use it to improve your products and services. And you can also use it as testimonials so other people who never had business with you before can trust you. And now we come to a very important step, that is managing operation and logistics. So it consists of several things. Let's go through each one of them. First one being the handling inquiries. So respond to inquiries promptly and provide clear and helpful answers to customer questions. Secure transactions. Always use secure payment systems like PayPal to protect customer transactions and secure and ensure prompt payment. And thirdly is the managing inventory. So track your inventory levels and reorder products as needed. Consider using a third-party fulfillment service to handle shipping and logistics. And the last thing is to evaluating performance. So use data and feedback to evaluate your business performance and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. And now I will give you some tips for success and avoiding common pitfalls. So the first thing, always build credibility and reputation by providing excellent customer service and respond promptly to feedback and concerns. Use customer reviews as and testimonials to build your credibility and trust, so people see you as a a trustworthy seller. And the second thing is scammers, where you will need to deal with them. So be wary of suspicious transactions and protect yourself by using secure payment systems and shipping methods. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to report suspicious activity to Facebook. And number three is to stay up to date with platform policies. Always read and follow Facebook Marketplace policies and guidelines to avoid account suspension or other penalties, and stay informed about changes and updates to the platform. So, finally, let's recap the key points. As we said, Facebook Marketplace is a powerful platform for online sales, but success requires careful planning and execution. So, always make sure to follow best practices for account setup, product research, and customer engagement to maximize your profit. And as an inspiration for success, always remember where you started your Facebook Marketplace business and stay motivated by setting realistic goals and celebrating your successes no matter how small they are along the way. So that was it for this video. I hope that it has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next one.